Hi, Sean. This is our group project. My name is Anusha Wagis. So let's start by introduction session. Due to a recent attack, we have realized how crucial cloud security. It is important to protect our system and data to prevent such incident in future. So there are some points related to cloud security. They are data protection, preventing downtime, maintaining trust, complaints, and regulation. Then moving to the next slide, which is objective. In this project, we develop and secure online food store named as Ara Store, which is used by cloud-based infrastructure. And in Ara stores, which only not only functional and user friendly but also secure and well monitored, which providing a safe shopping experience for our customers. As these some methods which are followed for our project. First one is set up the cloud environment, then configure the lamp stack, domain and IP management, set up WordPress and WooCommerce, enhancing security. And the last one is monitoring and logging. Then moving to demo session.
Hi, Sean. Here I'm Rahul Raji. I'm starting with the demo session of AWS. So let me start with uh, the AWS, and here you can see the instances, and I'm just opening the instances. So this in these instances, we are using the instances called our project. So let me open them. So this is our instance, and here you can see the details of our instances. And here we set up the security groups in the below. Let me open that. So here you can see that the security groups in inbound security groups are HTTPS and HTTPS, which we set. And then what we do in the EC2 instance is Elastic IP. So as we know, the previously it was dynamic IP, so we want to be it is static. So we set an Elastic IP and associate that Elastic IP with our EC2 instance. So here you can see our Elastic IP. Then what we do is like just create an AMA image because we are working in a team. So each team member can work in a different locations. So each team member have to work in a same project. So we created an AMA images for our project, and I shared with my colleagues. And the another stuff is snapshot. As you know, the snapshots is very crucial in every project because once there is any unexpected things will be happen, we need to take our backups. So we done few of the backups. We named it as Datadog, CloudWatch, DNS Snap, SSL, MFA. These all are the snaps related to our project. The rest of them are my previous works. So this all be done in the instances. And let me show how to connect. How we connect to the snap EC2 instance using SSH command to our local. Let me show that. So let me copy the command. And here you can see the project, which is our project key. So it is located in download. So let me open the download and the command prompts from the, and let me enter my command. So here you can see that it will be connected to the, and here we install LampStack and MySQL and PHP, all those things in LampStack. And above that, we installed WordPress and used as a DBS MariaDB. Those all things we done here, and we can't show that now, as you know, because the work is already done. So the next part will be continued by my colleague Anusha Varghese. I will give her.
Hi, Sean. This is our website, which is Ara Food Store. This is the wall template of our store. In this interface, we add some functionality for our website, like offers my account. Then I'm moving to my account session for the login as administrator. This is our username and password. Before that, we purchased a domain name for our store from .tech website, which providing a professional and easy to remember address for our customers. Then moving to the login page. Then this is the MFA part. Yeah, I got a OTP in my email. Yeah, this is our account. And then moving to the plugin part, we installed WordPress on our server and configured our site. As an administrator, we activated WooCommerce plugin, which enable us to set up our online store, which is Ara Store. This included configure store settings like location, currency, shipping options, and payment methods. And the main priority of our site is security. For the purpose, we install Serboot to automate the creation of SSL certificate. For that, I will show the certificate for the security. Yeah, this is our certificate, ara foodstore.tech SSL certificate. And then moving to the multi-factor authentication part, we add a plugin called Mini Orange plugin, which is configured by API, which is from Bravo. Bravo is the site which we can generate a free API key, and additionally we set up a WP emails SNTP. We for getting the MFA login emails. Then moving to the next session by Anne Maria Matthew.
Hi, Sean. So next we will be moving on to the monitoring and logging tool. So in AWS we have CloudWatch, which is a monitoring service provided by it, so that we can monitor and manage the different functions and monitor collect the different metrics for our applications that is present. So this is a dashboard, and this is the dashboard. And here in Arastos CloudWatch, we have the metric of our particular application. And using CloudWatch, we can also set alarm, which in which we can set a certain thresholds on metrics to trigger the alarms that, when the conditions are met. Like we can here in this Ara stores we have set the alarm, and the threshold is set as 100, and if any metrics value when the threshold crosses the threshold, then we will be able to get an SNS, that is simple notification service, sent to our mail. After that, we are also using a third party monitoring tool called Datadog. So Datadog is mainly used to monitor the performance of the our application. In other than like AWS, in AWS we can only in CloudWatch we can only monitor the AWS resources, but in data using Datadog we can monitor applications in multiple clouds. And also it will also help us to send alert when if in any cases the AWS service go down or something. So this is the dashboard of the Datadog, and to integrate our AWS EC2 instance with this, we are using Datadog agent, which actually collects events and metrics from our application and sends it to Datadog so that we can view it. And here, after using our API key that is only for us, using this command I'm able to connect my EC2 instance with the Datadog, and I have started. And after that, after connecting my data this Datadog with my EC2 instance in AWS, I have started the live process, and in this dashboard I'm able to see my the live my health of my application, like CPU usage, process memories, and all other things. That is all about Datadog. Next, we'll be moving on to the security testing tools. Testing tool we'll be using the Kali Linux. I have logged into the Kali, and using Kali, we'll be doing some testing. First is the Nmap scan, which is used to find. I have done the Nmap scans to find which all ports are open for the Ara food stores.tech, and we can see that port 32 of SSH and port 443 of HTTPS was open. Next, using Wireshark, I captured the packets that is flowing through our domain, and was able to capture the packets and analyze the packets for any information. After that, I used the OWASP SAP tool to find scan my system use the scan my system application URL, and from that we were able to get six medium sized alerts and nine low priority alerts and nine information one. And some of these are absence of anti-CSRF, application or disclosure, content security policy. These are the some of the alerts that we got. And I was also able to generate a report of the SAP scanning. And this report contains all the informations that we got from our SAP scan. And next is WP scan, which is used to scan a WordPress, which is a WordPress security scanner. And using scanning using this, I was able to find many interesting findings, like we were able to see the robots.txt folder which was present. And one of the vulnerabilities that I was able to see was that the directory listing was enabled in the WordPress. So, and another one was the WooCommerce, which is a plugin used in the WordPress, was out of date. Its version it was out of date, and there was a stored excesses vulnerabilities which was present in it, which could have been, which could potentially be and used by attackers to gain entry. So that's all about the testing. So to conclude, this project helped us to get a more larger understanding on the cloud environment. So nowadays, as we know, the amount of cloud security attacks that is happening all over the world is becoming increasing day by day. So this doing this project helped us to understand the AWS and cloud environment thoroughly. It helped us to learn how to launch a website on top of EC2 instance using LampStack and WordPress, and how to use different plugins to create the website, and how to secure it, and how to monitor it using AWS tools, and also third party tools like database, Datadog. Overall, it helped us to help us to learn the benchmarks, and help us to understand how to secure a cloud environment, how it is important to understand the security of the cloud environment.